clockwise or anti-clockwise. So, what are quantum numbers? Principal quantum number which is designated by n, it describes the shell, the size of the orbital, the main energy level of electron in an atom. While L, it is azimuthal quantum number, it determines the subshell and shapes of the orbitals, whether the electrons are present in the s, p or d or f orbital. There are n subshells in the nth shell. While the magnetic quantum number, it is represented by m, it tells us the orientation of the orbital, while spin refers to the orientation of spin of the electron in an atom. So, 4 quantum numbers describe the exact position of the electron in an atom by specifying its main shell, subshells, the orientation of the orbital and the direction of its spins. So, now there is one problem, that there is an example that an electron is in 3D orbital. What possible quantum numbers it have? N. So, 3 represent the main energy level. So, the value of n is equal to 3. So, the electron is if n is having 3 value, then azimuthal quantum number is having 3 value, that is 0, 1, 2. So, the electron is present in the d orbital, it means the value of L is 2. So, value of n is equal to 3, the value of L is equal to 2, and the value of m is, it may be either -2 or -1 or 0 or +1 or +2, any one. Similarly, the spin quantum number, it have value +half or -half. Either the electron is revolving around the nucleus in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So, there is another example, that there are 4 value of the 4 quantum numbers are given. So, by if we know the value of 4 quantum numbers, can we locate the exact position of the electron? So, n is 1, L is equal to 0, n is equal to 2. So, where is the electron? So, if n is equal to 1, then electron is present in the first energy level. So, definitely it is having value only, L is having 0, because L is having value from 0 to n minus 1. So, the electron is revolving around the nucleus in the 1s orbital. M is having no any value, because L is 0, then M is also 0. So, second question is that n is having 2 and L is 1. So, where is the electron? So, from this we says that electron is revolving in the 2p orbital, because L is having 1 value. If L is having, there is another possibility, if L is equal to 0, then we can say that electron is rotating in the 2s orbital. If n is equal to 2, L is equal to 0, then it means the electron is revolving in 2s orbital. And if the value is written that n is equal to 2, L is equal to also 2, that is not permittable quantum numbers, because L cannot be 2 or L cannot be 3 or more than 2, because L is having only value 0 to n minus 1. So similarly, the third example is that n is equal to 3, L is equal to 0. So electron is present in the third energy level, and it means that electron is present in the 3s orbital. So again, L can, if it is L is 1, then electron is revolving in the 3p orbital. If L is equal to 2, then electron is revolving in the 3d orbital. So L cannot be 3, L cannot be more than 2, because it is not permittable. Again, azimuthal quantum numbers cannot go beyond the n minus 1 value. So in the next slide, so this is the major energy level diagram. So if n is equal to 1, then there is no any subshell. The electron is present in the 1s orbital. If n is equal to 2, then there are two levels. If the value of azimuthal quantum number is 0, then the electrons are present in the 2s orbital. If the azimuthal quantum numbers have one value, the electrons present in the p level. So if the azimuthal quantum number is having 2 value, then there are 3 sub levels. So these 3 sub levels are represented by magnetic quantum numbers, that -1, 0, +1. So px, py, pz. So electron is maybe in the -1 or 0 or +1 level. So each orbital accommodate only 2 electrons. So one electron is revolving clockwise and another electron is revolving anti-clockwise. If n is having 3 value, then the azimuthal quantum numbers has 3 values, that is 0, 1 and 2. The electron may be present in the s orbital, or electron may be present in the p orbital, or electron may be present in the 3d orbital. So similarly, if azimuthal quantum have 2 value, then there are 5 possibilities of the magnetic quantum number. So that is due to -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. So this is the main energy level diagram. So according to this, the electrons starts to fill from the lower energy level. Electron goes to the lower energy level, and only orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons. So the quantum numbers explain the exact location, energy of the electron in an atom, and it explains the structure of the atom around the nucleus. So that's all. Okay, thanks.